28,345 West 10 Mile Road. This is Freeway Plaza here in Farmington Hills. We got a bank of 2 elevators. I'll take this one since this one's opened up. It's a Detroit elevator. Here's the other elevator. Oh, look at that indicator. Detroit elevator. Send this one away. We'll get the other one. It's sitting right here waiting for us. And I'm a survivor. Here are 3, there's that one. Let's ring the check. That's an up button. So you can see the out. See the marks of it. There we go. Alright. I'll take this back down to 1. And the deal. Adams of our buttons, very nice. What's that one? Alright, and there goes that. That'll be